Good morning to the students of class 6. Students, today we are going to begin with a new chapter in maths, that is chapter 22, drawing of different geometrical figures. Now students, for doing this chapter you need to have geometry box ready. Okay, so before listening to the explanation from the video, just keep your geometry box ready. Alright, we are going to do question number 1. Draw a perpendicular to a line at any point on it with the help of a scale, pencil and compass. Students, what is the meaning of perpendicular? Perpendicular means when one line makes an angle 90 degree on the other line. That means when one line is perpendicular to the other line in this way. This is called the perpendicular. Means this line, suppose this is line PQ and this is line AB, then you may call that PQ is perpendicular to AB. Now we will have to draw the perpendicular to a line at any point on it. So from any point on the line you need to draw the perpendicular. So for that what you will do, you are going to first draw the base line. That means base, actually you are drawing line of any measurement. Now mark the 2 points A and B on it. Okay, now this portion, if I consider this AB, this is actually becoming a line segment. Only from A to B, if I consider, this is becoming a line segment. Students, try to follow the steps which I am showing. Okay, so here in the question it is asked that we will have to draw the perpendicular on a line at any point. Just focus on this point, that at any point on the line. That means we will have to draw the perpendicular from the point on the line itself. So for that what you will do, you are going to take any point, say P. I am taking the point P on the line AP. So now what you will do, the first process I am showing. This particular question can be done in 2 processes. The first process I am showing. You are going to place the pointer, this is the pointer of the compass. So you are going to place the pointer of the compass on P and then draw an arc in this way. Okay. Now the 2 points which you have got, you mark it as X and Y. Now what you will do, you can see this XP, this is XP and this is YP or PY. Now what you will do, you are going to take the radius more than XP. This is the compass, you are going to take the radius more than XP and then cut an arc in this way. Now again you place at Y and cut an arc in this way. So you have got this point. Now you join the 2 points, that means you can extend the line and mark this end point as Q. So finally you have obtained the perpendicular QP on the line AB. So you are going to write the conclusion. Perpendicular QP is drawn on the line AB from a point P on the line, right? So this is the first process in which you can draw a perpendicular to a line at any point on the line. Now let us learn the second process of drawing the perpendicular on a line from the point on the line. So again in this case also you are going to draw the base at first. You give two arrows on both sides. Now mark the 2 points A and B. You are marking A over here and B over here. Now if I consider the distance from A to B, it is becoming a line segment. So now what you will do, just like the previous process, you are going to mark the point, mark any point, say P on it. Now in this process also you are going to place the pointer of the compass at P, then take any radius and draw a semicircular arc in this way. Now again you mark the 2 points, that is here X, here Y. Then in the previous process what did we do? We have taken the radius more than XP. Now in this process we are going to place the pointer at X and then with the same arc in which you have drawn this, with the same arc which you have drawn this, you are going to cut an arc in this way. Now again place the pointer over here, I hope you all can see, and again cut an arc. Now on top in this way you are going to cut, and again placing the pointer at this point you are going to cut like this. So finally you have obtained the point of intersection of the two arcs and join this point of intersection with P, and you can extend on top and mark this point as Q. So this is actually the perpendicular or the 90 degree which you are getting, and you are going to write in conclusion that perpendicular QP is drawn on the line AB from a point P. You can see the point P on the line. Alright children, so you are going to do this construction following each and every step in the video which I have shown. Follow both the processes and you can do it in any one process. Okay, follow both the processes and you are going to write in your classwork notebook that first process you are going to do the construction in the first process which I have shown, and then write the second process, do the construction in the second process which I have shown, then finally write the conclusion. Alright students, the next day we are going to do the next construction. So thank you all for today.